Do you remember the event, the interesting world of geometry that Asha talked about in the very first part of the chapter, Triangles? Recall that Asha presented various examples of real life triangles. On the other hand, one of her friends, Nitin, presented examples of congruence in real life. After Nitin, it was Shahid's turn, the most notorious boy of the class. Everyone was wondering what he would say, to which Shahid began.
Hello friends, I am Shahid.
His friends laughed at him.
Well, I am here for presenting the topic inequalities around us. What does the word inequality remind you of? The concept of inequality arises when two quantities are not equal. Consider these plants. They have unequal heights. Or suppose we have two packets of rice. One weighs 10 kg and the other weighs 5 kg. Obviously, 10 kg of rice is bigger than 5 kg. So, the concept of inequality also reflects the idea that one quantity is either greater than or less than the other quantity.
I hope you have already understood that we are going to learn something based on inequality. We can find many examples of inequality around us, but we will look at this topic from a very geometrical aspect. We will be discussing some inequality relations among the sides and angles of a triangle. Consider two lines PQ and XY. See that the length of PQ is less than the length of XY. Now consider the angles P and X. Angle QPR is equal to 62 degrees and angle YXZ is equal to 45 degrees. Therefore, angle QPR is greater than angle YXZ. Consider the triangle PQR. PQ is equal to 6 cm, QR is equal to 10 cm, RP is equal to 8 cm. If we measure the angles using a protractor, we will find that angle P is equal to 90 degrees, angle Q is equal to 50 degrees, and angle R is equal to 40 degrees. Now consider QR and QP. QR is greater than QP. Consider the angle opposite to them. Angle P is equal to 90 degrees, angle R is equal to 40 degrees. The longer side, QR, has a greater angle opposite to it. Similarly, QR is greater than PR. The angle P, opposite to the longer side QR, is greater than the angle Q opposite to the side PR. Likewise, PR is greater than PQ. The angle Q opposite to the longer side PR is greater than the angle R opposite to PQ. In each case, we find that the angle opposite to the larger side is greater. Is this fact true particularly for the triangle that we have shown or for all triangles in general? Let's see. Suppose we have a triangle PQR such that PQ is greater than PR. We need to prove that angle PRQ is greater than angle PQR. From PQ, let us cut off PS such that PS is equal to PR. Join SR. By this construction, the triangle PSR, we have PS is equal to PR. Since angles opposite to equal sides are equal, therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Consider triangle QSR. Angle 1 is the exterior angle of triangle QSR, and an exterior angle is always greater than the interior opposite angle. Therefore, angle 1 is greater than angle SQR, or we can say that angle 1 is greater than angle PQR. Since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, therefore angle 2 is greater than angle PQR. But angle PRQ is greater than its part angle 2. Therefore, angle PRQ is much greater than angle PQR, hence proved. So, the conclusion is, if two sides of a triangle are unequal, the longer side has a greater angle opposite to it. Does the converse of this theorem hold true? Let's see. In a triangle, the greater angle has the longer side opposite to it. So we have a triangle PQR such that angle PRQ is greater than angle PQR. By the theorem, we need to prove that PQ is greater than PR. We have three possibilities. Either PQ is equal to PR, PQ is less than PR, and PQ is greater than PR. Out of these three, only one must be true. When PQ is equal to PR, angles opposite to equal sides must be equal. So angle PRQ is equal to angle PQR, which is a contradiction to the given condition angle PRQ is greater than angle PQR. Therefore, PQ is not equal to PR. When PQ is less than PR, it implies longer side has the greater angle opposite to it. So angle PQR is greater than angle PRQ, which is again a contradiction to the given condition angle PRQ is greater than angle PQR. The only option left is PQ greater than PR, hence proof that the greater angle has a longer side opposite to it. That is it for this session. I hope you will be able to understand the basic idea of inequalities in a triangle. We shall be back soon with the next session to discuss a few more properties of inequalities in a triangle. Until then, keep learning, stay healthy, take care, and goodbye from Team Notebook.